Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're doing the second video in the Disney Lookbook Princess Makeup Edition. So today we're going to be featuring Aurora, also known as Sleeping Beauty. She is one of my all-time favorite Disney princesses. I love her so much, and when we went to Disney back in May of last year, she was just my favorite meet and greet. She was so sweet and she listened to me, and it was so sweet to meet her. I have so many princesses that have been requested for me to do that literally, like, I could do them all in one day. Actually, I couldn't even do them all in one day. There are so many. So if you want to have any input in the next Disney princess, then be sure you list your favorite princess down below. I am trying to film each Disney princess once a week, if not twice a week. I know this week I'm going to try and do another princess, so be sure you comment your favorite one down below so I can hopefully pick yours. If you're not subscribed to my channel, then be sure you subscribe. We're having a giveaway, so be sure you head over to my Instagram page to see how you can qualify. That is all for the intro, so now let's just hop on over to the makeup look. Okay, so I love the Tatcha primer, but today we're going to be taking, this is the Thank Me Later face primer. I actually just got this from Ipsy a few days ago, and I have not even used it yet. So this is definitely going to be a first impressions with this primer. So it says it minimizes the looks of your pores, so we're going to see if that is the case with this. So I'm just going to massage this. It feels very good on the skin, very soothing. Like this actually feels like more smooth than the Tatcha and the Professional by Benefit that I absolutely love. But yeah, this feels super good. So this is it's the Thank Me Later. It's by Mott, if that helps. So I will link all of these products that I use down below. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking the Urban Decay All Nighter Foundation. This is my absolute favorite foundation that I have found. I actually did buy the Tarte face tape, but I'm not really too fond about it for some reason. Like, yes, it is full coverage, but I'm just not that into it. So we're going to do 3 little dots on the face, all over, and then we're going to blend it. Now we're going to be taking, this is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I am obsessed with this concealer. It's one of my favorites. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take bronzer and we're going to bronze our face. And I'm actually going to take, this is a new brush that I just purchased yesterday, and it is the Real Techniques. It is a multi-task brush. And this is the Hoola bronzer by Benefit. I love, love, love this bronzer. It's not harsh to the skin, and although I'm super, super pale, it never has looked super harsh on me. So that is why I love it. And I'm just blending this all over so we can add some radiance to the skin. Okay, next we're going to take, this is the Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Highlighter. It is super, super pretty and like so pigmented. I just bought this the other day, as I mentioned it in my last haul video that I'll have linked down below, so you can go check that out. But we're just going to pop this right above where we did the bronzer. I really want to make this look very super, super bronze. So we're not going to go super heavy on our face makeup, but I do want to come back and add just a little bit of blush, and this is the Morphe, the blush trio, and we're going to take Rule Breaker and just pop that right there. I'm not going to go super heavy with this. Okay, so the moment you've been waiting for is this palette. I bought this the other day, and I am literally obsessed with this. If many of you guys do not know, Morphe just came out with this palette. It is the perfect bronze palette with shimmer shades and matte shades, and these are all the shades that I love. Like, oh my gosh. When they came out with it, I knew I was in for a treat. I know when I saw the picture of them coming out with a new palette, I automatically had emailed them and I was like, when is that coming to Ulta? Because I need it so bad. So we're just going to take a blending brush by Morphe. I'm just gonna wish off the excess powder that was on the brush. So we're going to begin with the color Sandy, and it is just a light tan shade that is really perfect for your inner corner. Not your inner corner, your crease. So we're just going to lightly just buff this and blend it. I gotta sneeze. Ah, bless me. Okay, so we're going to blend this in. This is the prettiest color ever. I know I've had a lot of people that I've seen on social media mention that this palette does not blend well, as best or as better or as good as other palettes by Morphe, but honestly I have not had that happen to me in this palette. This palette is super, super pigmented, so I've never had an issue with it because I've been using it every day since I bought it. Okay, so I really want the crease to just have a lot of dimension, but I'm really, really wanting to dive into the color Hotness, and it is a super pigmented pink color. I really want to use that, but I don't know. I think I just want to keep this look very bronzy, but it may be a change of plans, you never know. Okay. So we need to make up our mind. I think I'm just gonna go in with a brown, like a darker brown shade, and it is the color Necked. It is this one right here. And I think I'm just gonna pop this right underneath that transition shade. I'm trying to keep y'all in frame, I apologize. Thinking about doing like a half cut crease because this color right here is super pretty. I don't know, I think I might go with the color beside that today. I decided to zoom y'all in so y'all could probably see a little bit better than far away. So we are going with that color For Short. So I just popped a little bit of concealer. Okay, so I did try like a few days ago to apply all these shimmer colors with a brush, but they don't really work that well blending with a brush. They always just work better with blending with my finger. So that's just what we're gonna do today. So I'm just going to pick this color up, and it's very copper looking. Hold on, I think we may not go with that color. Okay, so change of plans. I think we're gonna stick with the Hotness color, which was that pinkish orange color. In the pan, the colors look pink, but when you apply them, they're super copper looking because, I mean, they are from a bronze palette, so they're not gonna be super like hot pink pigmented. But I'm gonna use my finger, and I'm just going to start blending it. I'm super nervous because I never use like bright colors like this, like ever in my life. So we're gonna start. I'm gonna keep this palette open so I can touch into it. I was thinking about keeping this inner corner a little bit blank so we can pop like a gold shade into it, but honestly not sure if I'm feeling that. I'm gonna go a little bit more so I can hit that crease right here. I'm gonna get my blending brush and kind of blend this back and out. So I am going to take the color Glare, and it is the first gold color in the palette, and I'm just gonna pop this lightly into the center and kind of sort of blend it into the pink, like so. I think that looks really pretty. Oh boy, yes, I'm loving this. So I'm gonna go a little bit heavier with the pink and just lay that on there. And then we're going to finish up and blend. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with another palette. Let's try this one. No. We're gonna go in with the Morphe, the 25B, and there's a really pretty like dark pink shade that I really want to use. I don't know what color this is, but if you have this palette, it's this stunning color. Yes, I love this. I'm going to finish this eye on camera, do some liner, do some lashes, and then I'm just going to do this one off camera, and then we will be done. So I think today we're going to do a wing. I love wings. So I guess I'll just talk through this with y'all. I know a lot of people ask me how do I do my wing, and I typically just like speed through this process because it takes so much time, especially if you mess up, but we'll just try in this video to talk slower and work together. So this is the BH Cosmetic Liquid Eyeliner. This is honestly one of my favorite liquid liquid liners. They're pigmented. They're only like, I think $5 to $7. Love them. You can get it at Ulta. I know for sure Ulta, I'm not sure any other places, but we're gonna go ahead and start and make our line. And I honestly just do my liner as if I'm writing on a piece of paper, or because you're literally, you hold it like it's a pen, because it is like it's a pen liner. So I do hold it like that. And then when I get into this inner corner, I'll just go lightly like that. And then we're just going to add the wing. Okay, but what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go in, in this palette, there is a pretty dark black color, and I'm going to like literally not even like tap this, and so we can smudge the eyeliner just a little bit. I am obsessed with this. Okay, for lashes today, they are the, I don't know which ones I think I want to use today. I guess I'm just going to go in with, these are the Ardell 110. It's the ones that I used in my last video, and they worked really well. I had gotten a lot of compliments from them, so we're just going to stick with these. Okay, so this eye is completely done. I'm just going to hop off camera, finish this eye, and then hop back on, and then we're going to finish it off with some setting spray. Okay, so both eyes are completed. These lashes are driving me nuts. They're not wanting to stick. So what we're going to do now is take some eyeshadow, and I'm gonna take the same pink color, which is the color Hotness, and dabbed it into my brush, and then we're going to smoke out the lash line for our bottom mascara. Okay, and I'm gonna take a brush and, not a brush, a mirror, and we're going to begin doing the lower lash line. Okay, and to top it all off, we're going to be doing our lips, and it's my favorite part in the makeup routine. So we are going to take the NYX matte lip liner. This is in the color Canis, and it looks like this. And we're going to align our lips. Okay, and I'm gonna take, this is the NYX Candy Lip lipstick. We're going to lay that right on top. Okay, and the last step into this makeup look is setting spray, and we're going to be taking, this is the, my lashes are bothering me. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, and it will just keep your makeup on throughout the day. So this is the finished Sleeping Beauty makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below the next princess that you want to see it being featured on my channel. If you're not subscribed, then be sure you subscribe. We are having a 300 subscriber giveaway. I'm giving away a ColourPop cosmetic palette, so be sure you head on over to my Instagram page. I will have that link down below, and you can check that out and see how to enter. That is all for today's video, and I hope you all have a fantastic day. Bye!